Summer heat calls for something cool, refreshing, and full of flavor, and nothing beats the humble curd when it comes to cooling down Desi style. So today we are whipping up not only one but two delicious curd-based summer treats, the crowd favorite Dahi Bhalla and the crisp and creamy Dahi Kebab. Let's get started. First up is the Dahi Bhalla. Start by blending soaked urad dal with a little water to make a smooth paste. The texture should be just right, not too runny, not too thick. Whisk the curd until it's silky smooth and chill it in the fridge. This step is what gives Dahi Bhalla that creamy, cool goodness. Now, to prepare salt chutney, take a kadhai and add soaked jaggery. Pour in the tamarind puree and mix. Now use a ladle to break the jaggery and bring it to a boil. The next step is to add your favorite chaat masala, a dash of black salt, and let it simmer until thick and glossy. Now time to fry. Drop spoonfuls of batter into hot oil and fry until light golden and fluffy. Once they're out, soak them in cold water for half an hour. Then refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes. The next step is to gently squeeze the soaked bhalle and place them on a plate. Add some crushed papri, pour chilled curd, drizzle salt chutney and green chutney generously. Now top it off with pomegranate seeds, boiled kala chana, cumin, red chili, black salt, black pepper and a few fresh mint leaves. Now serve chilled and enjoy. So time to switch things up with a crunchy treat, Dahi Kebab. Take a bowl and add 1 cup of hung curd and add grated paneer, finely chopped onions, coriander, breadcrumbs and spices like coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric, red chili and salt. Mix everything until it comes together. Now shape the mixture into small round kebabs. Now roll each kebab in corn flour to get that golden crispy coating. The next step is to heat oil and fry the kebabs on medium flame until they are crisp and golden brown. Now serve these kebabs with your favorite mint, tamarind or even a garlic dip. Dahi kebabs are a perfect party starter or even a cozy chai time snack. So yes, there you go. 2 stunning curd-based recipes that scream summer. Whether you like your curd sweet, spicy, creamy or crunchy, Dahi Bhalla and Dahi Kebab have got you covered. Try these at home and let us know how it turned out. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, comment and subscribe to Times Foodie.